Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another F1 update. So today let's talk about the 2025 British Grand Prix, and this year this race was won by one of their own, Lando Norris. He came home to take his first home victory in the British Grand Prix, and this was a home victory from the McLaren team as well. And Oscar Piastri, he spiced up the pot a little bit by coming home in second, making it a McLaren 1-2, an amazing race for them. And there was an amazing race for Nico Hülkenberg as well, because he, after his 239th start, he finally stepped on the F1 podium, his first ever F1 podium. After decades of hard work and dedication to the sport, he's finally achieved it, and he has he's cracked open a bottle of champagne on the F1 podium. So an amazing result for him as well as Sauber. The British weather, it obviously played its part, and Verstappen, he was comfortable until lap 8 where he lost the lead, and Piastri, he also had his ups and downs, and he lost the race because of just one moment, which was when the safety car was just entering the pits and the race was about to restart. He slammed his brakes and he was going too slow. So because of that, FIA gave him a 10-second time penalty, and just right after the restart, Max Verstappen, he spinned out, which made him lose a lot of positions. So for Red Bull, it's not going well. Christian Horner, the news which just came out today, Christian Horner, he's also out of the Red Bull team, and there's still like a lot of things which we are not aware of, and slowly a lot of things are going to unfold, and we're going to see what was the reason, and now who's going to take his place, and what's going to be next for the team. And so the drivers who retired, let's talk about them. Franco Colapinto for Alpine, he was the first to retire after stalling his Alpine in the pit lane. Liam Lawson for VCARB, he exited on lap 1 following a collision with Esteban Ocon, while Kick Sauber's Gabriel Bortoleto, who had an amazing race in Austria, was the next to record a DNF after a spin into the gravel. Isaac Hayter suffered a heavy crash in the mixed conditions, and Mercedes' Kimi Antonelli became the final retiree with his car involved in the Hajar collision. So not a typical race for the rookies. Hajar and Antonelli, they definitely have a lot of work to do. So overall, this race was pretty exciting, a lot of drama, a lot of fun, a lot of action. And now we have 3 weeks until the next race, which is in Spa-Francorchamps, Belgium, another iconic track. And for that, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and like, and let me know what you want to see next in the world of Formula 1.